Carolina. I'm in Banner Elk, North Carolina, Wilderness Run. Social distancing at its finest. The only single rider roller coaster in North Carolina. I made sure to find it. This thing's actually surprised me. It's got some fun laterals right over there. So some fun areas where you're kind of pushed to your side. And then there's a couple of little spots of air time where you kind of pop up out of your seat a little. So it's real cool, man. I'm impressed. So here we go. And here we go. Might be our favorite part. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay, I like that. There we are.